We have a specification we don't understand at all. He drew up his schematics, the parts were placed in bins, but he didn't know how to solder, so we got an assembler in. Oh, it all makes work for the engineer to do. 'Twas on the Tuesday morning the assembler started work. The design you have is awful, the last guy was a jerk. Parts went on the circuit board and wires went in the box, but when he pushed the button, he died from electric shock. So it all makes work for the engineer to do. 'Twas on the Wednesday morning the safety man came in. There was inadequate clearance when looking pin to pin. He tested and he heated, the internet got killed. He said that's not my problem and he made sure we were billed. Oh, it all makes work for the engineer to do. 'Twas on the Thursday morning the FCC found our address. Emissions and noise were terrible and had to be suppressed. She waved around antennas, she added copper foil, then she shorted out the transformer to add to all the toil. Oh, it all makes work for the engineer to do. 'Twas on the Friday morning the magnetics man was late. He must have been nearly 90, his eyesight wasn't great. He twisted lots of wire, he added turn to lits, and when he was done with all of it, the circuit blew to bits. So it all makes work for the engineer to do. On Saturday